to you, and then we're going to go through it slowly. If a number A is divided by another number B with no remainder, then A is a multiple of B, and B is a factor of A. We don't think about 0, okay? Ignore 0. For example, 30 divided by 5 is 6, so 30 is a multiple of 5, and 5 is a factor of 30, okay? Let me colour these in for you so you get an idea. So if I have A, I'm going to do A in red, okay? So A is divided, so A in this case is 30, right? And B, the number being divided, I'm going to do in blue, is 5, okay? 30, the red number, the big number, is a multiple of 5, okay? Basically, what a multiple is it's in the times table, okay? It's as simple as that. 5 is the other way around, okay? 5 is one of the things you could get to, so that's going to be in blue, okay? Now, have a look. Has anyone got a piece of paper in front of them so they can write notes, or the textbook? Yeah, everyone's nodding along, I think. If not, try to get one. It might be useful, okay? Now, can you do, here, question 1 for me on your piece of paper, quickly? And then I'm going to set up a vote, but the vote might get in the way, so you're going to have to do the thing first, okay? Okay. Oh, it won't let me. Can you show me with your fingers which are the factors of 28? What's the first factor? Got there in the end, it is 2 indeed. 2 times 14 is 28, so 2 is a factor. What's the next factor? Show me on your fingers. Everyone's slightly unsure. Also really struggling with cameras, but you are all right. It's 7. 7 times 4, right? And the final one, show me on your fingers and your toes. No, I'm just kidding. It's 14, yeah. 14 times 2, okay? And we could say that 2 and 14 are a factor pair, okay? Because if you times them together, you get to 28. So they are a factor pair. What about question 2, the multiples of 7? Well, this is just what's in the 7 times table, okay? So 7 times 1 is 7, easy. 7 times 3 is 21. And 7 times 8 is 56. Did everyone get those? All right, lovely. Give me a thumb wiggle just so I know. Your vague head nods aren't good enough. I need thumb wiggles. And finally, the first 5 multiples of 15 are straightforward, right? 15 is the first one. And then we're just going to go up by 15s. So 30, 45, 60, 75. Okay.